It's a new 2024 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Front heated leather bucket seats. Streaming audio. Steering assist cruise control. Dual zone climate control. Inductive device charging. External memory control. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Doors and push-button start proximity key. And continuously variable automatic transmission. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 561-508-9936.